Hopefully it's running.
Pour votre sécurité et votre confort, veuillez rester assis pendant la durée du voyage.
The what? Yeah, at Disneyland you like had to climb over each other and you sat around the outside. Alright, look back to your left, and David to your left, to the book, and then the castle in the background, they match. Yeah, these boats are a lot more user-friendly. Which, again, I'm guessing they did that on purpose, because the ones at Disneyland were a lot harder.
Oh look, Casey Jr.'s running again.
Nice.
Ay, sí, mira,
Look up in the mine. See Dopey?
La pulsera.
And Rapunzel?
Oh, her hair is really cool.
Hansel and Gretel?
Yeah.
I love these. Mount Olympus, I'm guessing from Hercules. Oh yeah.
En garde bien les bras et les mains à l'intérieur des bateaux. Ne touche pas l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Please keep your hand and arms inside the boat and don't touch the water, please. Los manos del barco, por favor, no al agua. No tocar el agua, por favor.
That is Peter and the Wolf. We get a village. I don't think we get a village. It's funny. Yeah.
Bad guy.
Yeah.
Mira, 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 entrada.
Oh, don't touch the water.
Van.
Don't touch the water. That guy up there. Oh, Aladdin's gone, guys. Oh no, Aladdin's in the Cave of Wonder.
On ne met pas les mains dans l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Elle est sale. Don't put your hand in the water. It's dirty. Thank you.
Guys, he's gonna eat us for breakfast.
I think so, yeah.
Hey guys,
Yeah. Nice. Ooh. Don't touch it, Abu. Don't touch it. The monkey. Yeah. Yay.
There it is. It got big.
The lamp. That's true. Sword in the stone, guys.
Remind me, I have to show you. I found out how bonsai trees are made. They don't grow that way.
Yeah, you have to trim them, like Mr. Miyagi. And parsley. Just look. Oh, there's Beauty and the Beast, babe, to your left. Becca! Belle's Village.
A good job with many different languages.
Here's a
Oh wow! Wizard of Oz.
Steampunk Wizard of Oz.